Hey there, my name is Miranda Mizar. I am 26 years old and I'm going to school for animal science. I hope to continue on after finishing at Unity College to attend veterinary school. I really enjoyed using the strengths survey to better understand how I use my personal traits in everyday life. I wasn't super surprised that my number one strength was humor. I've always been a bit of a class clown and I enjoy making people smile when they're having an off day. I hope to use this trait going into my future endeavors to hopefully keep my classmates and surrounding peers in high spirits in times of despair. My second trait is fairness. I have always been a team player. Every job I have worked was always working alongside my peers. I always use the saying, teamwork makes the dream work. And without being fair to one another, there is no way that could happen. Being kind, respectful, appreciative, and being a good listener are some of the best ways to show fairness. My number three was bravery. I personally think this should be my number one. Over the last couple years, I have done more than I could have ever imagined. I spent my life living in Georgia, where my family is, friends, from elementary school all the way to college. But something just was not where I wanted it to be. So I decided that I wanted to take a leap and move on. I did so by getting a fantastic job offer with an amazing veterinary hospital, and I decided to move all the way across the country to Wyoming, that I never thought I would ever be able to do. I never thought something like this would ever cross my path, but it didn't until I took the leap. I've noticed that even taking the tiniest of steps also encourage those around you. I've had many friends back home decide to do the same things. So I see it as being brave for yourself is setting an example that you really can do anything by being brave and dedicated. Overall, I hope to use these traits to better myself and encourage others around me to do the same. I also hope to pick up new strengths along the way, and I hope to use these in my future endeavors. Thank you.